Dear student, welcome to another Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is a house and tree with color. So dear student, very easy topic. Just follow my drawing and draw this. Look, first draw a straight line and drag the line like this. And use some curved line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again drag the line from up to bottom and join this, and you must give this type of line. That means the line will be bigger than this point, and then turn this line, drag this line and then give a door and give a window. And house and tree. Now we will draw a tree. You know how to draw a tree. Give two lines like this. Give the roots and give V, and then give some zigzag line and complete the tree. Though here I have drawn a house and tree, you can give a far village like this. That looks good but not mandatory. Okay, some grass. And if you want, you can give here anything. Okay, now I will say you what type of color I have used here. I have used on the sky color, that means the light blue color, and here I have used the green and lemons middle, that means ocean green color, and this field I have used lemon green and yellow color. And on the roof of the house I have used here some ash color very lightly and give some purple color. And look at this space, I have left a lot of space white. You should do this. And in this house of the figure of the house I have used here yellow and purple color. Here I have used brown sienna, that means the deep brown color, and this color I have used on the tree also. And these trees I have used some first yellow, then lemon green, and then deep green, and finally for the most strip I have used a deep blue, and on the grass I have used a deep green color. So dear student, you must practice at your home and watch the YouTube class very attentively. Where you face some problem, you must pause this class and draw more and more time, and then your drawing will be perfect. And this one is your HW also, and your HW number 7. You must mention your HW number, topic name, and draw this topic very carefully. So dear student, no more today. Thank you.